Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL TAB Pro 5G for Verizon Wireless. So this is a new tablet for Verizon Wireless, so it is now available. It's been available recently. It recently came out. So this is the TCL TAB Pro 5G. Very nice looking tablet here. So if you guys are in the market for an Android tablet, the TCL TAB Pro could be the tablet for you. This does have 5G on board, so that's very nice. So you guys can see different payment options here. So if you guys pay this for 30 months, you guys be paying $13.33 a month for 30 months. 24 months is $16.66 a month for 24 months. Or if you guys want to buy this thing full retail price, it is $399.99 full retail price, alright? So, not bad, I guess, depending on, the tablet does look nice. I do like the little clock thing there, pretty nice. Wallpaper's colorful and whatnot. It comes in 64 gigabytes of storage, and it's available in black. So, so up here is like your, your volume button or something, power button. I'm not sure what that is on top. It's either a power button or a volume button. It's one of the two. There it is there. There's the bottom of it. You guys got like a little pin connector, so you guys can dock this thing, I guess. It's pretty nice. There it is, it's standing up. There's a little pin connectors on the bottom of it there. There it is again. There's the back of the TCL TAB Pro 5G. You guys have TCL logo on the top, 5G logo on the bottom, your camera and your camera flash on the back. There, it looks like it has like this glossy finish to it. It kind of looks like that in picture there. There it is again. There has to be a volume. That has to be volume buttons right there. It has to be. So there's the tab over there. There's that's the top of it. So you guys have the speakers on the top of it, or the top of it. There it is there. Can I zoom in? Let me see, can I zoom in? I don't know. So so it says here, the TCL TAB Pro 5G Pro's performance and style in a lightweight body powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 5G octa-core processor, large, long-lasting battery, and expandable user storage. So you do get micro SD card slots. So it's very nice. Stream, play, and work comfortably for hours on the brilliant 10.36-inch Full HD Plus display powered by NXT Vision with eye care modes and stereo high-res audio speakers. So that's nice. The fast charging 8,000 mAh battery not only lasts all day, but can work as a power bank to charge up your smartphone or other accessories on the go. So that's very cool. So this has the power share feature on there, so you can charge other devices with this tablet, so that's pretty cool there. Capture beautiful photos and videos with the 13 megapixel rear camera and use the 8 megapixel front camera to video chat with friends and family. Now with the coverage of 5G nationwide and the unprecedented performance of 5G ultra wideband. Alright, so that's it. Interesting. Features and specs. Alright, it's loading up. It says impressive cinematic experience. Maximize your entertainment on the TCL TAB Pro 5G with an expansive 10.36 inch Full HD Plus display, powered by Next Vision with enhanced color clarity and contrast while viewing videos to HDR quality. Dual speakers and stereo high-res audio deliver an immersive sound experience when playing games, watching shows, and live streaming with your friends. Flawless 5G performance. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G chipset provides super fast streaming, app downloads, and almost instant file uploads. Experience flawless performance and multitasking thanks to an octa-core processor and 4 GB of RAM. The expandable 64 GB of memory lets you keep files, save photos, and download all your favorite apps. Power that supports your style. From conference calls with co-workers to keeping the kids entertained on the go, the TCL TAB Pro 5G can keep up with your daily demands and more. Power up to a full charge in under 4 hours with the 18-watt fast charger, while the built-in battery saver mode and smart manager controls your power usage throughout the day, so your tablet is always ready when you need it most. On-the-go reverse charging capability allows you to power up your smartphone and other devices when they are running low. Capture the special moments. The TCL TAB Pro 5G comes with the 13 megapixel high resolution camera to capture stunning panorama shots, social ready photos, and record steady HD videos. Edit your next masterpiece in the photo gallery with advanced features like AI sky enhancement and object eraser, while the Next Vision technology enhances picture after you take them for the best color, contrast, and sharpness. Whether for work or leisure, the 8 megapixel front camera lets you join video calls so you can stay connected no matter where you are. Screen time with peace of mind. Enjoy your time on the TCL TAB Pro 5G with an outstanding visual experience that is easy on the eyes, with an array of eye protection features like adaptive brightness, reading mode, dark mode, and eye comfort mode. The TCL TAB Pro 5G automatically adjusts the display under different lighting conditions to relieve visual fatigue. So that's very nice. So the specs on this thing are pretty good. This is a $400 tablet. The main selling point of the tablet is its 5G connectivity. So it comes in black metallic, so it has like a metallic finish to it. The length of the tablet, 9.75 inches. The width, 6.2 inches. The TCL TAB Pro 5G weighs 16.9 ounces. The depth is 0.31 inches. It uses USB Type-C for charging. It does have Google Assistant network. It does support 4G as well as 5G, of course. Wi-Fi 8 at 211 ABGN and AC, dual band Wi-Fi. That's your SAR ratings. 5G nationwide, 5G ultra wideband. It's a roll device. Battery is a 8,000 mAh battery, up to 25 days of standby time, 17 hours of usage time. It does have fast charge at 18 watt. Rear camera is a 13 megapixel camera with LED flash, camera, video filters, panorama, stop, motion modes. Front camera is an 8 megapixel camera with an LCD flash, so it has a screen flash and whatnot in it. Camera, video, and filter modes. 1080p video captures on both cameras, I believe. So you guys do get 1080p videos at 30 frames per second on both cameras, I believe. So yeah, Bluetooth 5.0, Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G chipset, octa-core processor, Android 11, which is nice. You do get a micro SD card slot up to 1 terabyte, so take advantage of that. Security options include fingerprint, face unlock, 4-digit PIN, password, pattern unlock, smart lock, quick launch apps. It does have hotspot support, which you can use up to 10 devices. So your tablet can turn into a hotspot and you can connect 10 devices to it. So pretty cool. 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of ROM. Display there is 10.36 inches, so pretty good size there for this tablet. The refresh rate is nothing crazy. It's 60 Hz refresh rate, so your standard refresh rate, so nothing special about that. Screen type is an IPS display with Next Vision technology. It is a full HD plus display, 1200 by 2000 pixels. Aspect ratio is 5:3 aspect ratio. What comes in the box is your TCL TAB Pro 5G tablet, quick reference guide, USB-C cable to. You get a Type-C cable and wall adapter, of course, pre-installed 5G SIM card, some pen tool, warranty and safety information. So it's pretty nice there. So yeah, there you guys go. So if you guys are looking to get a tablet but don't want to spend a whole lot of money on one, the TCL TAB Pro 5G could be for you. It's $400 for retail price. You guys do have the option to pay monthly, 24 months or 30 months monthly. So the choice is yours. So if you guys are looking to get a tablet that is connected all the time, yeah, I got to check this tablet out. It does have 5G on it. It looks very nice, and I do like that little clock thing there. Very nice looking clock widget there. Very nice wallpaper too, very colorful and whatnot. So yeah, there you guys have it, the TCL TAB Pro 5G now available at Verizon Wireless. You guys will need a connected device plan. I'm not sure what they're called, but y'all guys will need a tablet plan for this to work. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.